Tabby here with Showchrome. You're probably watching this because you want to tow a trailer with your Can-Am Spyder. Well, look no further. Showchrome offers a great looking trailer hitch and wiring harness. The Hitch Assembly has a durable black powder coat finish. It mounts without removal of the rear tire or its axle. You can take it off whenever you want. Once installed, it easily removes with only 6 bolts. The receiver mount has a 3/4 inch hole for your choice of ball type. These are high-quality trailer hitches made right here in the USA. All mounting hardware is included. Need to wire up your trailer? No problem. We offer an electronically isolated trailer wiring harness. This harness matches all of OEM connections for easy plug and go. This 5-wire harness comes with plenty of zip ties to keep it secure and off the ground. Enjoy that next trip, and remember, your ride only better with Showchrome. This is Tabby, and I hope to see you on the road.